Exercise 13.5, problem number 7, chapter is probability. In an examination, 20 questions of true or false type are asked. Suppose a student tosses a fair coin to find the answer to each question. If the coin falls head, the answer is true. If it falls tail, the answer is false. Find the probability that he answers at least 12 questions correctly. Look here, he answers at least 12 questions means the value of x is greater than or equal to 12. At least 12, it can be 12 or it can be more than 12. It can go up to 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 20 because 20 questions are asked here. So x is greater than or equal to 12. Now what is n? Because 20 questions are asked, n is 20. Now p is half because it's a true or false type question. So answer can be true or it can be false. Only two possibilities. Out of two possibilities, one is favorable. So P is equal to half. Q is also 1 minus half, that is half. It can be true or it can be false. So the possibility of this being not true is also half. So we get the values n, p, q and x. Now we will take up this equation or formula. Px is equal to x E is equal to ncx q to the power of n minus x and p to the power of. We know all these values, and we also know that x can take values from 12 to 20. So we write px 12, px 13, px 14, px 15 up to px 20. Yes. Now what is px 12? 20c 12. So half to the power of 20 minus 12 and half to the power of 12. Similarly, we get here 20c13, 20c14. We have moved up to 20c20. When 20c20, half to the power of 20 minus 20 and half to the power of 20. So minus 20 plus 20 cancel out. We will have half to the power of 20. So 20c12 half to the power of 20. 20c20 half to the power of 20. So in between there are so many other terms. This is a common factor for them. The only that differs is 20c12, 20c13, 20c14 that we have not written. So half to the power of 20 we take out as common, and the other terms that come here are 20c12, 20c13 I have not written, 20c14 and last one 20c20. Now half to the power of 20 that we write, but we don't calculate these values. We keep this as the answer. So this is the answer for that. So n is 20, p is half, q is half, x is greater than or equal to 12 because x, the here, probability that he answers at least 12 questions. At least means it can be 12 or it can be more than 12, and the value of x moves up to 20. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now 12 questions. How many questions are asked? 20. So 12, this one. It can be 12, it can be 13, it can be 14, it come up to 20 because n is 20. So we don't calculate this. We write this, the answer we write as this only. Thank you.